Morning, here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Today we're in London, Ontario, doing a new flat roof. We're on Gainsborough, so about 44,000 square feet. We're gonna put a new roof on. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Okay, we've come up on the roof. Go ahead, take a look. So 44,000 square foot commercial roof we got to install. We have two drains, some sleepers that are unused, so we're gonna take them out. We're gonna leave the existing vents in place. We got an eavestrough detail at the end and some metal flashing detail. We're going to start by putting on the base sheet. We'll show you what that looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. Sure, the client's going to be thrilled. It's about 4,000 square feet, this job. We put a board, a sopraboard over the existing, fastened it down, base sheet, cap sheet. Go ahead, take a look. We have metal flashing around the entire thing. We have face flashing in the front. We have parapet flashing on the two sides, and we have a drip flashing at the end. Here we have 3 vent stacks. We have a redundant electrical line. We chose not to take it out because we weren't going to chase all the lines through the whole building and find out where it's going, where it's plugged in. We roofed this in. We have a B vent, a hot air stack, and this is a venting a hot water tank. So we roofed it in. You can see our detailing down at the base. We also had, when we started this job, I don't know if you remember, we had 2 sleepers which held an HVAC unit. So it's just a 4x4 blocking held an HVAC unit. It was redundant, wasn't being used, we took it out. The less penetrations you have through your roof, the better, because typically that's where you're gonna find your leaks. Part of this job had 2 internal roof drains. That means you're draining the roof from inside, not a perimeter eavestrough. So after the base sheet, we put a flange. It fits inside the existing piping, and then we roof it in. You can see an all sand material, that's a rubberized product on the outside, and that just keeps it strong over the winter and summer months to really fuse everything together. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it, hope you learned something. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.